the fastest way to 12% body fat. You've probably heard it 100 times: lose fat, get lean, look ripped. But what if I told you that hitting 12% body fat at a level where your abs pop, your energy is high, and your body feels unstoppable isn't as far away as you think? In this video, I'm breaking down the fastest and most efficient way to reach 12% body fat. No crash diets, no gimmicks, just real strategies that work. If you've been stuck in a plateau, or you're just starting out and don't want to waste time guessing, you're in the right place. Start with a calorie deficit. That simply means consuming fewer calories than your body burns in a day. Use a calculator to find your maintenance level, then subtract 15–20% from that. If your maintenance is 2,500 calories, aim for around 2,000 to 2,100. This deficit is enough to burn fat steadily without crashing your metabolism or leaving you drained. Focus on a high-protein diet. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Protein not only helps preserve muscle mass during fat loss, but also keeps you full longer. Pair that with moderate healthy fats and complex carbs. This balance helps fuel workouts and control cravings. Meal timing is not magic, but consistency is key. Some people thrive on intermittent fasting while others prefer 4 or 5 small meals. Choose what fits your lifestyle, but keep your meals clean and repeatable. When your body knows what to expect, it responds better. Also, ditch liquid calories and processed junk. Sugary drinks, alcohol, and fast food will derail your progress quickly. Stick to water, black coffee, green tea, anything that keeps you hydrated and doesn't sneak in extra calories. Start with strength training at least 4 or 5 times a week. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows. This builds lean muscle, which boosts your resting metabolism and helps your body burn more fat. Remember, this isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling strong, energized, and confident every single day. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.